It's Don here from the board. So, another package came in the mail for me today, and I'm really excited to say that it was something for the Sydney 2017 #1 Meetup. Now, of course, we are only a couple of weeks away now, and we're starting to get some of the stuff that's coming in from our sponsors. Today, the package came in from Plugable Technologies. So thank you very much to Josh for sending it. Really appreciate it. Now, previously, I already had one of these and I've done a review, which of course I'll link the review in below. And what we're talking about is this Plugable TKL with clicky blues. Now, I did have a review of this. I did have a look and it's quite a nice board. It's very solid, very heavy. It's got a steel plate in it. It's got backlit with a couple of different modes. And for a starting board, it's fantastic. It doesn't have a heap of customization on it, but to be honest, you don't really need it. And of course, Josh was really kind to support the meetup by sending a second one. So we've got two of these fantastic pluggable 10 keyless mechanical keyboards with the Otemu blue switches in it. Now, of course, this is a really short video because I've already done the review on this, and we'll just run through some of the details again quickly, just to sort of whet your appetite if you haven't seen the video before. And we're looking at a 87 key white LED backlit with ABS double shot, N key rollover, blue clicky, the Otemu switches, and you're looking at 60 grams plus or minus about 15 grams for the actuation, and the travel distance of about 4 millimeters. Now, it does come with, of course, the keyboard, one of the ring type key pullers, and a very simple quick start guide. So, if you want to be in a chance to win one of these two keyboards, all you have to do is turn up to the meetup and either buy a raffle ticket on the day, or if you pre-register, you'll get a free ticket to the raffles, as well as you can purchase 2-for-1 raffles in the pre-registration. As with the previous videos, I'm going to have a link down below in the description for the actual link to the pre-registration if you feel like pre-registering, or you can also get the details for the meetup. It's July 8th and it's going to be held at the Lidcombe Bowls Club in Lidcombe. Of course, the details will be in that same link. So, once again, thank you very much, Josh. Thank you, Plugable Technologies, for being so generous and shipping these very heavy keyboards out to Australia for the Sydney meetup, and hopefully some people, hopefully two people, not necessarily the same person, will be able to walk away with these really great keyboards. So yeah, hope to see you there at the Sydney meetup very soon. And of course, as usual, until next time, happy clacking.